Hello everyone! In this video, we'll see how the optimal filling mode feature works for online booking. So the idea with this feature is to try to reduce the number and length of gaps you may have in your calendar between appointments. So we're gonna click on Website, then click on Customize, and on the left, you're gonna click on Website Pages and Options, and we're gonna go to the page about services. Here you can click on Booking. Then, over here, you can select the interval between the times proposed to customers, thanks to this slider over here. So for example, here the slider is on 15 minutes. So on the right, here we see that we have a 15-minute interval between each proposition. So the customer can select 9, 9:15, 9:30 or 9:45. We call this a small interval mode. It will give lots of choices to the customers, but on the other hand, it could lead to too many gaps in your calendar. For example here, if the customer chooses 9:15, then you will have a gap of 15 minutes in your calendar between 9 and 9:15. So by the end of the month, it can represent quite a loss of income. To avoid that, you can extend those intervals. So let's try the biggest one, which is 4 hours. So if I choose 4 hours and then save. As you can see now, the customer can only choose between 9 and 1. So let's try this together. So the next customer to visit the website to book a service will only have these choices. So if the customer chooses 9, here the appointment appears on the calendar from 9 till 9:40. Then, the next customer that visits the website will only be able to choose between 9:40 and 1. If they want their appointment in the morning, they will have to select the time just after the previous customer, which is here 9:40. This will limit the gaps in your calendar. As we can see over here. Now, if you have several people working that day, the software will always try to optimize the time slots offered to minimize the gaps. For example, if Jess works, so on this Tuesday, the software will propose 9, 10:40, or 1. As we can see over here. You will have to choose in the website setup the most appropriate interval for you. You'll have to find the right balance between giving your customers a lot of choices and trying to limit the gaps in your calendar. So this choice is up to you. I hope this video helps you to understand better this feature. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.